Hi class, it's me again, Erin. In this video, I'm going to walk you through Module 1's activities and assignments and also give you a few reminders and tips. So I'm in Module 1 now, and for each weekly module, the first thing you'll see is an overview. The overview is just a broad picture of what we're going to be doing for the week in broad terms. So you can see in this week, we're going to be introducing ourselves. We're going to be learning more about the research methodologies used in social psychology, and also learning more about culture and how culture and nature interact. The next step, which is very important, is the agenda. Use the agenda as your guide to the module, as it contains everything, a summary of everything you need to learn, need to do for the week. So for example, the first task listed in this agenda is something you might have already done. It's to read the syllabus, course calendar, and instructor profile located in that left-hand menu. After you've looked at the agenda and you know what you're supposed to be doing for the week, head over to your lectures and readings folder that contains your reading assignments. So your reading assignment in Module 1 is to read chapters 1 and 2 in your textbook. And then you also have a short video here to watch. The video is by Roy Baumeister. He's a social psychologist. He's actually the first author on our textbook, and he'll be discussing what makes us human. He's not the most exciting speaker, but his talk is pretty interesting, and I promise there are better videos to come, so don't worry too much if it's not very exciting. Next, head over to the assignments folder. In this first week, it's a little bit different than the other weeks in that you have a syllabus quiz. So the syllabus quiz is 5 questions. They're all multiple choice. The syllabus quiz is worth 5 points, and it's just covering information found in the course syllabus. And just as a tip, this is the only quiz in the whole course that you can take as many times as you'd like. The next assignment is the Module 1 quiz, which is 10 questions long and covers your reading assignment, so Chapter 1 and 2. All the questions are multiple choice, and if you recall from the syllabus, the weekly quizzes have a 30-minute time limit, and you'll have 1 chance to complete them. The quiz is worth 10 points. And last but certainly not least is the Module 1 discussion board. Each week, I'm going to post 2 questions, and you'll provide your response to both questions, as well as responses back to your peers. So one hint here is to take a look at the discussion board grading rubric, which is located at the end of the syllabus, to see how you're going to be graded on these discussion board posts. The discussion board assignment each week is worth 10 points. And this week, you're going to be introducing yourself to the class and then also providing an example from your own life of both automatic and deliberate thinking. This is something the textbook calls the duplex mind, and it's a concept that your textbook is going to come back to again and again throughout the course of the term. So you can just cozy up to it now because you're going to see it again throughout the course. And all the assignments for Module 1 are going to be due on Sunday, March 24th by 11:59 p.m. Central Standard Time. And that's it for our first week. If you have questions about anything, just send me an email and let me know. You can also post it to the class Q&A discussion board. And best of luck for the first module, and I'll see you soon. Bye.